The 2025 Volkswagen Vocho Beetle is here, and it's making waves in the automobile world, with its nostalgic design fused with modern upgrades. In this video, we're taking a detailed look at the exterior, giving you a quick glance at the interior, and breaking down its pricing and performance to help you decide if the new Vocho Beetle is worth your attention. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Vocho Beetle retains its iconic rounded shape that made it a classic over the decades, but Volkswagen has modernized it in all the right places. The front fascia now features sharper LED headlamps with integrated DRLs that sweep smoothly into the fenders, giving it a slightly aggressive yet retro feel. The hood still maintains that classic curve, but now it's more aerodynamic and sculpted for better airflow. The front bumper is sleeker, with air intakes that hint at performance without compromising the car's friendly look. On the sides, Volkswagen has played with the character lines, adding a sharper shoulder line that runs from the headlight to the tail, giving the Beetle a more muscular stance. The wheel arches are slightly flared, housing stylish 18 to 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim level. Chrome touches around the windows and door handles add a premium feel. The roofline still arches in that classic bubble shape, paying tribute to the Beetle heritage. At the rear, the 2025 Beetle carries a modern LED taillight setup with sequential turn indicators. The rear bumper is minimalist yet sporty, and the new dual-tip exhaust on some variants adds a performance touch. Volkswagen has also updated the badge design and added subtle lines to improve airflow and reduce drag. Moving quickly to the interior, the cabin of the new Vocho Beetle feels refined and retro-inspired. It features a two-tone dashboard with a mix of soft touch materials and glossy panels. The circular design language continues inside with rounded AC vents, retro-style dials, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel. You'll find a digital instrument cluster that blends old-school design with high-tech features like navigation, media display, and vehicle diagnostics. The infotainment system is a floating 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are comfortable with good bolstering and come in various fabric and leather options. Rear seat space is still a bit tight, but it's better than older models and suitable for short trips or small passengers. Talking about pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Vocho Beetle starts at around $23,000 for the base model and goes up to nearly $30,000 for the top spec variant with all features included. It's positioned competitively considering its brand value, design, and features. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Vocho Beetle is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces around 160 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed DSG transmission, giving it smooth and responsive shifts. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in about 8.5 seconds, which is decent for a compact hatch. Handling is agile, thanks to its compact size and updated suspension, making it fun to drive in the city and on winding roads. Fuel efficiency is estimated at around 15 to 17 km/h, making it a practical choice as well. Thanks for watching this review of the 2025 Volkswagen Vocho Beetle on automobiles. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell icon on so you never miss another car review.